How to change the Snapchat friends emojis. Keep in mind that friends emojis are based on the way you and your friends use the Snapchat. If you have any emoji next to your friend's username, then you can easily change it. But make sure to follow all the steps one by one so that by the end of the video you'll figure out how to do it. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Snapchat app on your device. Then make sure to sign in on your Snapchat account. Once you get access on the camera section, tap on the chats icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. So as you can see that there is yellow heart which is on their profile on the chat section page. So in order to change this blue heart into another emojis, you simply need to tap on the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you get access on your profile feed, select the gear icon at the top right corner to access the settings page. Once you're on the settings page, scroll all the way down and under this privacy control, select customize emojis. And here you will see all the friends emojis. So the blue heart means BFs. So it appears next to one of your best friends. So if you want to change it, you can tap on it and change it to any one emoji you'd like to. Let's select this heart icon and come back from here, and as you can see that we have successfully changed Snapchat friends emojis. If you go ahead and check, then next to their that profile head of that user, we can see instead of blue heart there is the small heart icon made by the hands. So that is how we change the Snapchat friends emojis. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.